I have something called slime. Now you're probably wondering where the fuck I got this slime. Well, I got it from Dylan Slime & Co., where you can get 2 times the size, 10 times the price. Slime is super sticky, and slime never rips, no matter how hard you pull.
You're a fucking idiot.
This new 100% no chemicals, it contains borax, great slime is used for anything. See the slime right here? If I want to hold up this trusty pencil, I just stick it in the slime and it would never fall over. This headphone only has one earbud. What am I supposed to do with headphones with one earbud? Well, if you're trying to be cool like me, get some slime, get the earbud, and gently cover it. Just pull out a little bit of leftover slime, and there you got it. I'm telling you, 100%, no lie, guaranteed magical.
Wow.
Not many people think our slime is top quality, so just ask one of our paid customers.